Alright everyone, we are here at the Bolt Wash Car Wash, and we're going to go through one of their Odysseys. Let's go to the one on the far right, because that one is a Quicksilver, and that Odyssey is being used.
Okay.
So we're just going to do an inside view today, so I will see you guys in just a second to when we're pulling in. Oh, there's the brushes going in there.
I hope they open the door.
I will. The door doesn't open until the brushes are done spinning.
Oh, my bad. I thought they were just teasing us.
Oh.
It turned on. You can't come in.
Oh, they painted the gantry.
Oh,
Look at that.
nice.
Some new logos.
That is attractive. Whoa.
Yeah, because before, the gantry kind of looked like it was falling apart.
Yeah. Looks much better now.
Yeah. Odyssey Soft Touch Automatic.
Good job, Bolt Wash. Up in your game. When are you gonna beep at me?
You see the trouble right there?
Oh. Okay, thanks. There it is.
That's a cool view.
Yeah.
You can see the triple foam nozzles going.
Ooh. Very nice.
Very nice coverage of the tri-foam.
Oh yeah.
Smells great. Oh, you get a double pass. Look at that.
Very good. This is only $12. This is a great one.
This is the best triple foam coating I've ever seen.
Yeah.
This is like perfect. Oh, there's the top brush.
Do we want to turn on the...
No, the front camera is not going to turn on if you're in park.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Okay.
Oh, the blaster things are going down there.
Cool.
Now we come back again from the rear. And the sides.
Nice.
Get a little rinse too. Front brushes doing their thing.
So peaceful.
Yeah. Car washes are very calming.
Assuming they're not, super loud.
Assuming they're not killing a car.
That's right. And then that's stressful.
Yeah. But usually they're not.
Yeah, usually. And thank goodness for that.
not sure what this is. Wouldn't be nice if it had a sign to tell you what step is what.
It would.
Very nice coating of whatever this is. Smells like Rain-X. I think this might be Rain-X.
Oh, okay. Well, if that's the case, then the next should be the rinse. So we'll see. Oh, here it comes back.
There's the rail that it goes across up there. Yeah, this water looks clean. I think this is the spot for rinse.
Okay.
Rain-X worked good. You can see it beating off like crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, and we're done.
Very nice.
See how well these dryers do. They give you about 60 seconds of dryer time.
It's a pretty violent dryer. I can feel it vibrating hard.
Yeah, they're very powerful.
They are powerful. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Nice dryers.
Yeah. You know, I think honestly dryers are more important in the winter than in the summer even, because you get home and your doors are frozen shut, you know?
Yeah. Wow, dude, it's like pushing the car back.
Yeah, it's shaking the car.
These are some powerful dryers. Man, look at that. The windshield is dry.
Yeah.
So is the top.
We won't get stuck in our car tonight.
No, we will not. Wow.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Those are some very good dryers.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the Bolt Wash. What did you think?
I would say 8 out of 10. I don't know. Do you think it'd be better than that?
Yeah, maybe 8 out of 10. I mean, the triple foam coverage was excellent.
It was. It really was.
Yeah, maybe a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, that's Bolt Wash Car Wash for you. $12 gets you a very good wash here.
Yeah, good pricing too.
Yeah. So, that's the Bolt Wash Car Wash. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.